Did you know that your stomach gets a brand new lining every 3 to 4 days, or that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth? Exploding Head Science is full of mind-blowing facts that most people don't know, and today, I'm going to share some of the most amazing ones with you. Stay tuned, because the last one will completely change the way you look at the universe. Let's start with something close to home, your body. Your brain is sometimes more active when you're sleeping than when you're awake. That's because it's busy sorting memories, solving problems, and preparing you for the next day. So technically, your dreams might be your brain's way of working overtime. Here's one from space: a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Why? Because it rotates on its axis so slowly that it takes 243 Earth days to complete a single rotation, while it orbits the Sun in just 225 days. So, if you lived there, you'd celebrate your birthday before you even finish one Venusian day. Now for the oceans, did you know we've explored less than 5% of them? That means most of Earth's underwater world is still a mystery. Scientists believe there could be millions of unknown species living deep down, waiting to be discovered. Let's zoom into the microscopic level. Your body has more bacteria than human cells. Sounds scary, right? But most of these bacteria are friendly, helping with digestion, immunity, and even keeping harmful germs away. In fact, without them, we couldn't survive. And here's a fun one: bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. According to botanists, bananas fit the scientific definition of a berry, while strawberries don't. Nature is full of surprises. Finally, here's a fact that will blow your mind: every atom in your body was once part of a star. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, and the oxygen you breathe were all formed in exploding stars billions of years ago. In other words, you are literally made of stardust. Sparkles.